Hey guys, it's Simcha here. I just got a new light for my room. It's two disco balls rotating while twisting with a bunch of really awesome lights, multicolored and just swirling around. It's really awesome. So I'll give you a tour of the room so far. It's a little boring, but I'm working on it. Hey. Bedstand, I had hard to really tell over here. No, I did not pick that lamp. Ugh, Mom. Okay. Over to the right, I have my thing that changes colors as it rotates. And you'll see it over here. Goes blue. We got a green, aquamarine, red, all that fun stuff. Here we have the old school, but still I like it, the good old fire thing. Hey, who cares for technicalities? Got another down here. Sorry guys. I'm not good at making these things, especially with the webcam built into my laptop. Shoot, seriously. And now for my new acquisition, as I like to say. I'm not going to show you the lava lamps. It takes a month and a half for those things to actually heat up and work and Okay, so here's this. I don't know if you can really tell by the colors, but yeah, these things are awesome. Man, tricky, I'm going to annoy so many people with this thing. Well, as usual, in my room, my lights, besides for the ones used during the day, are multicolored. We've got red, black lights, green, blue, etc., etc. I used to have ones that multicolored on the actual thing. This didn't really work out so well. So yeah, I was really tempted to buy this awesome black light that my mom would probably shoot me if I hang it from the ceiling. And I saw lava lamps, you know, bigger than my head. I love Spencer's. And unfortunately I couldn't afford the lasers. Even though it was 99 bucks on sale. Seriously! Ooh. I so need to get a job. Alright, so until next time. See ya.